Hello, I am Michelle, one of the members on the Olympic score team, and today I am here to clear up a few misconceptions about one of our events, the food eating contest. Now, you might wonder, what is the food eating contest? Now, you might think that the food eating contest is an animalistic, glutinous way of eating food that causes food waste problems.
Example.
But no, it is not any of that. It is actually a very strategic and fun way of incorporating events into our Olympics that does not necessarily require your athletic ability. Therefore, we have our food eating contest. Now, there are several rounds of our food eating contest. Now, I'm going to demonstrate 2 rounds of it. So first, we have our Oreo eating contest.
Hello, I'm David from the Olympic score team, and I'm here to demonstrate another one of our food eating events. We're gonna see how your taste testing skills are. So I'm gonna be blindfolded, and I'm gonna drink things that are in front of me and determine what they are. So the first one is orange juice, and the second one is water.